The PLEGBLE PL-710 drone is built for adults and beginners who want an easy, cinematic, and reliable flying experience without needing extra devices or complicated setups. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. With a built-in 5.0-inch HD screen on the controller, you get instant FPV viewing with no phone or app required, making this drone truly plug and play. The 4K EIS camera with a 130 degrees wide lens and 90 degrees adjustable tilt captures smooth, detailed footage, supported by optical flow positioning for stability in windy conditions. Its GPS module brings essential safety features like smart return to home, low battery return, and signal loss return, allowing new pilots to fly with confidence. The PL-710 expands creativity with intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint Fly, and Orbit Mode, automatically tracking movement for hands-free shots, perfect for travel, biking, hiking, and vlogging. Dual modular batteries provide up to 70 minutes of total flight time, while USB-C fast charging and built-in safety protections keep every session efficient and worry-free. Weighing under 249 g, this foldable lightweight drone avoids FAA/remote ID requirements and handles both indoor and outdoor flying with level 5 wind resistance thanks to its brushless motors. One-key takeoff/landing, speed switching, altitude limits, and GPS stability make it beginner-friendly while still offering advanced shooting features for creators. The PL-710 stands out as a practical, powerful, and portable drone designed for smooth aerial content anywhere you go. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.